Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button for more updates. So guys, uGogo Skhotheni went live on TikTok where she expressed the loss of losing her only son. With all that guys, she spoke about God making fun of her, after everything that she has been through. But she also says that even though things happen that way, she still loves God. And in all that, guys, she said a whole lot of things in that. Indeed, guys, Gogo Skhotheni is a brave woman. Imagine losing your child and being this brave. But anyway, guys, please do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this. And please, guys, do subscribe if you haven't done so.
And serve him with a purpose. Now I'm serving God because I'm not expecting anything. I'm serving God because I love him. That's the difference. You are praying because there's something you want from God. You are praying because there's something that you're expecting. That. Mina, I love him, period. Ngimthanda ngisho ngihlekisa ngabantu loya muntu loya. Yabo manje I'm a joke. For the whole month I've been a joke. I've been a joke. I went to church, Nankulum. I became a DJ, Nankulum. So I became a joke. Then boom, boom, nightmare, boom. He took my son. Imagine all the posts. Like, saying, why are you so this girl is confused. How? Hey, ulala no ban. Like, the way Bening Sholela the way Bening Chendisa, even know the things that I don't even know. Like, it was weird, you know? And Messiah Bamba lesson then is show what's it boom. I'm gonna take your son. I'm gonna take your son. What's happening lento again to vuge? Epsuku. Ungalali. Ngizokuthathela yona. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uzwenzani. Washentshweni kanti uthole ba. Ngakhala. Ngasulunye imbezi ngasithintitha. I had to do my son's funeral. I had to. If I sat down, no. I had to wipe the tears off baby girl and becoming Bogoto. I had to step up. You understand? Ngasithintitha ngathi to me. Kuwe umntanakho wena vuka ukuze uvuse umntwana. You understand? So I am not shaken by anything. My life should be an example to all of you. Okay, to most of you. Don't be shaken by anything. So now you guys need me to expect me to cry. No, my son is not coming back. Lo mama wako lo am loser 1924 or lo am loser 2021. She's not coming back. Yes, you're gonna cry about it because you're gonna think about it. But imagine. Listen. God gave me this burden because he knew I'm gonna overcome it. If he gave it to you, hi darling. No. You are not gonna share anything with us. Ngoba kube wena uyakhala manje. Nifuna ngigcoka amarokwa. Ngitshitshi mina. Ngitshitshi manje. Ngitshitshi. Ngiyajava. You're right. My son is happy. Nina nifuna ukukhala? No, don't. There's time for that. There's time. Listen, don't hear me wrong. Don't get me wrong. There are times where I just break down and cry. Wake up in the middle of the night, feel like he's around, then I cry. Tell him how much I miss him. But the only thing that happened with me, I understood my foundation. Remember, if you've been following me for long, I've been telling you guys, you need to create a foundation with God. My foundation with God, no situation will ever break it. My foundation was God. Foundation, my foundation is God. Then what happens? I don't care because no meaning our foundation I that. I shake foundation. So my foundation will never be shaken by any situation that comes my way. Baby, mina ngalala estradini. I'll still praise God.